Welcome to Process Verse. Step inside a world where every second is crafted with precision, and every watch tells a story of artistry and perfection.
Here, raw materials transform into instruments of elegance. Every gear, every hand, and every strap.
And at the end of this journey, a masterpiece emerges. A watch that measures more than time. It reflects passion.
Bring it back slow. Stop right there. Okay, we're clear.
Watch your spacing on the left.
Clear. Scanning now.
Secured. Move to the next one.
I'm getting a slight variation right here. Yes, I see that scratch. Let's tag this section for review.
Check. Batch number X7G091.
Confirmed.
These are perfect. Check the clarity on that one.
Flawless. Approved. The surface integrity on this sheet is flawless.
Confirmed. Move to the pass tray.
Ensure the crystal batch is secured.
It is labeled and ready for the CNC.
Check the alignment on those hands. Looks good. Moving to the next tray.
Check batch 42 on the hands.
Confirmed. The next sequence is ready.
Check the batch number on these springs.
All correct, we're all correct. Moving to assembly.
The alignment on station 3 seems off.
Let me check the tolerance levels again.
Is the alignment correct on this one?
Yes, it looks perfect now. This batch is looking particularly good.
Yes, the conditioner is really bringing out the richness.
We are still seeing a deviation of +3 on the 5th position.
Try adjusting the regulator slightly.
right there. We need access to row 7.
We have 3 more trays to pack before noon.
All right, let's ensure the inventory matches the manifest.
Can you confirm the weight on this bill of lading?
Let me see. It says 500 kilograms, but the invoice says 550.
Check this label, it's slightly off.
Got it. Fixed now. Padding looks secure.
Keep them tight to the back wall.
Route 12 is clear. Bring the next pallet.
Man, I am beat. I know, right? Ready for the weekend. See you Monday. Don't work too hard.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey inside the world of precision craftsmanship, make sure to like, share, and follow